Okay, here the directions are to combine the radicals. So let's go back to something you might remember. Let's say I had 2x plus 3y plus 5x. Which ones are like terms? Which ones can I combine? Well, hopefully you're saying the terms 2x and 5x. They both have x. It's to the same power, and so those are like terms. So it's kind of like we're saying, okay, we have 2x's. We're adding 5x's, so total we have 7x's. We only have 3y's, there's no other y's to add, and so that would be our final answer. So keep this in mind when we're adding radicals. You can only combine radicals that have the same power of square root, so like this is a second root, and also the same number under the radical. So which would be the same like term with this one? There's only one, so try to find it. It would be this one. Okay, what about this 2 square root of 3? What would be the like term with this one? Well, it's this other one that also has square root of 3. So it doesn't matter what number is out front, but it doesn't matter the power of the radical and the number under the radical. So if you want, you can rewrite them so they're together, or you can just combine them. So we have 7 square roots of 17, and we're taking away or subtracting 8 square roots of 17. So then we would have -1 square root of 17, or you could even just put negative square root of 17. And if you want, you can even cross those two out since we're done. Okay, next I have -2 square roots of 3 minus 3 square roots of 3. So total I have -5 square roots of 3. It can be helpful to say them like that so that you remember you're just adding up how many of those square roots of 3 or subtracting how many square roots of 3 are there. And this would be the final answer. We cannot simplify anything under the square root. That 17 won't go lower, the 3 won't factor lower, and we can't combine the 17 and the 3 because they're not the same number. So that would be our final answer there.